morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone watching this short video. My name is Kennedy Fai. I am the CEO of the Apple Revolution. The Apple Revolution is aimed at fighting climate change with fruit trees and revamping the African economy through fruit tree cultivation and agribusiness. So this morning I want to do a soil potential hydrogen test, and this is to facilitate a project in the subdivision of the Momo division, particularly of the northwest region. And so far so good, we are going to be determining the pH level of the soil to see if that location will favor apple cultivation. Please, if you are new on my channel, please just go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell button, the notification button for more updates. So I will be using this method of baking soda and vinegar, and this is the vinegar and this is our baking soda. So these are our 2 cups that we are going to be. Another cup will help us to understand the alkaline level of the soil, and then this other cup will help us to understand the acidic nature of the soil. So every detail is going to be attached in the report. I'm just going to do a display of the experiment here, but every other details will be attached to the report. So this is our water. This is clean water. Yes, clean water that we're going to be using. So far, this here we have had our soil specimen. This is from location 1 from the farm. Yeah, this is location 1. This is location 1. Let me put it here so that you can see. So because if you want to do soil test, you must not go get soil from one position. This is location 2 and this is location 3. So far we still have another location 4 here. So these are the things that we need for the meantime. So we are going to go straight away. Remember to share this video and remember to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can get us on all social media platforms by just typing Kennedy Fai/the Apple Revolution. So we are going to start with the first specimen. So we are going to put the soil in this cup. So just follow keenly. So by principle, when you take the vinegar and you pour it into alkaline soil, it is going to react with some bubbles. It's going to react with some bubbles. So we are going to see it practically. Follow me. Okay, this is the soil. So let me stir it up for some chemical reaction to take place. Okay, if you look keenly, you discover just very little bubble, which shows that the alkaline contents or the alkaline level of the soil is minimal. It's not very much. So, and this is a good news for us that the soil will actually, the apples will do well in that particular location. So we are going to throw this one. Yes. So immediately we do this, it was for us to see if the bubbles were much, and then we will determine, it will be indicating that the alkaline level of the soil is very high, which we need to be working on stabilizing it by either dumping compost, dumping manure, and other substances that will help to ameliorate the soil condition. So far, we're going to dump this now. We use the second specimen. Yes, the second specimen. Okay. Okay, we are going to use the second specimen, and this is to make us understand that a farm of maybe 10 hectares and above can still have different alkaline deposits in the soil. So we are going to use this one, and then in the same light we are going to do the same. We're going to pour. This is okay. You stir it up. Okay, if you look critically, you see little bubbles. It's the same. It's the same. So this is just what we say. So we're going to move straight away to verifying the acidic nature of the soil. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and share. Leave us your comments in the comment section. This is the apple revolution. So we move straight away to the next experiment, which is to know the acidic level of the soil. Remember, for apples and for fruit trees to do extremely well in any location, the soil must not be too alkaline, the soil must not be too acidic. Yes, if it is too acidic, it is going to actually stress the plants to absorb the nutrients from the soil. If it is too acidic, the same situation. So the soil must be less alkaline and neutral or non-reactive, which we are going to see now we are going to test. So in order to understand if our soil is acidic in nature or not, so we are going to put the soil specimen. Let me put the soil specimen. We are going to mix it with some water. When we mix it, we stir it with water. Then we add soda. Baking soda. And then now we if it bubbles, then that means the soil is acidic. If it doesn't bubble, that means the soil is non-reactive. That means our result is excellent. So let me put some water. Okay, I put the water. I want to stir it before we add our soda. So this is just for us, for people who are curious to ask questions on the nature of the soil, because in my experiments in Cameroon, particularly in 9 over 10 regions, we have actually discovered that apples can do extremely well in Cameroon. Apples can do extremely well in Cameroon. So that is why we are aimed at fighting climate change with fruit tree cultivation and revamping the sub-Saharan African economy through fruit tree cultivation and agribusiness. So we have a 15-year strategic plan to export apples from Cameroon. So follow up keenly. So we are going to put our caustics, our soda. So let's try to watch the reaction. Okay guys, if you look keenly, the bubbles are negligible. They are very small, very minute. The bubbles are very minute. The bubbles are very minute. So guys, in case you test your alkaline level and it is too high, range of 5.5 to 6.5, and then we need to ameliorate the soil, and the strategies, the techniques to ameliorate the soil is in our next video, in our next document attached. So make sure that you subscribe in order to be able to get all these latest updates. So guys, we want to thank each and every one of us. So this result, we want to authoritatively tell the farmer, the project owner of this particular experiment we've made here, to actually go ahead with this project. It is not only with apples that this test is being confirmed, but fruit trees naturally does excellently well in any soil where the pH level ranges from 5.5 to 6.5. So, and this is just what we've had here, and it is a crazy, and the location, the soil, the rainfall, the sunlight, all these other characteristics are in the attached PDF document. So guys, make sure you stay connected with us. Make sure you follow us up. Make sure you plant at least 2 apple trees. Make sure you open a plantation in order to key into our vision of exporting apples from Cameroon in the next 15 years. This is going to be our own part of the emergence plan. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, I am Kennedy Fai, the CEO of the Apple Revolution, the climate hero, a value creator, a teacher, an entrepreneur, and a tree planter. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers. Okay guys, as you can see, this is a fresh apple on the tree. Yes, I don't know that you can see it very well. This is a fresh apple, and